In February 1978, a historic blizzard brought the entire state of Massachusetts to a standstill. The world outside simply vanished. For days, Massachusetts was paralyzed. Highways became frozen parking lots. Cities fell silent, and the state was completely cut off, trapped under a blanket of white. But in the isolation, the resilient spirit of Massachusetts emerged. Strangers became lifelines, and communities united to face the historic challenge together. The Great Blizzard of '78 was more than a storm. It was a defining moment that forged an unforgettable chapter in the history of Massachusetts.